Is your 2020-2023 Nissan Versa key fob not working reliably? A dead battery is the most common culprit. Replacing it yourself is a quick and easy DIY task that can save you time and money compared to dealership service. This video will guide you through each step. The 2020-2023 Nissan Versa key fob requires a specific battery, the CR2032 3-volt lithium coin cell. This small, round battery powers the remote functions like locking and unlocking your vehicle. You can easily find CR2032 batteries at most drugstores, supermarkets, and online retailers like Amazon or Walmart. They're widely available and inexpensive. To help the environment, consider eco-friendly or rechargeable CR2032 batteries. Brands like Energizer offer recyclable options that last longer and produce less waste. For optimal performance, make sure your replacement battery is fresh. Test it with a multimeter. It should read between 2.8 and 3.0 volts to ensure reliable key fob operation. You'll only need a small flathead screwdriver or a coin like a dime to open the key fob casing. No special tools are required. Protect your workspace and ground yourself to avoid static electricity, which could damage the fob's electronics. Locate the small slot or seam on the back of the key fob. This is where you'll insert your tool. Insert your flathead screwdriver or coin into the slot. Use a gentle pressure to start the separation. Gently twist to separate the two halves of the fob. Work around the edges to fully open it. Avoid using excessive force to prevent cracking the casing. If it resists, check for a proper seam. Carefully remove the old battery from the fob's battery compartment, noting its orientation. The positive plus side typically faces upwards, towards the buttons. Now, insert the new CR2032 battery with the positive plus side facing the same direction as the old one. This ensures proper electrical contact and prevents damage. Remember, the positive side must face upwards towards the buttons. Incorrect polarity can cause circuit damage and make the fob unusable. Carefully align the two halves of the key fob casing and press them together until they snap securely. Test the fob's buttons, lock, unlock, and panic to ensure they function correctly. If the fob doesn't work, double-check the battery orientation and ensure the battery is new. If the key fob still doesn't work after replacing the battery, try cleaning the battery contacts with a soft, dry cloth. Corrosion or dirt can interfere with the connection. In rare cases, the fob may need reprogramming, which can be done by turning the key to the on position multiple times while pressing the fob buttons or by a dealer. To extend battery life in your Nissan Versa key fob, consider using app-based entry when possible. This reduces the frequency of button presses on the physical fob. Looking ahead, future trends in automotive technology point toward digital keys and biometric systems, which could phase out physical key fobs in the long term. However, for 2020-2023 Nissan Versa models, DIY battery replacement will remain a relevant skill as physical fobs are still standard equipment. Finally, when replacing your battery, properly dispose of the old one at a recycling center to minimize environmental impact.